This whale had been sinking boats for days, desperately trying to get help. One brave boat captain decided to follow the whale to investigate. After 10 minutes, the whale suddenly blocked their path with its massive tail. So the team decided to dive down to investigate what was wrong, until they discovered that the female whale was trapped by abandoned fishing net. With steady hands, they're carefully cutting through the deadly nets. Inch by inch, they work together to slice through the tangled mess, the thick ropes patient and determination to butte through. With final cut, the massive net fell away. Once free, the whale swam joyfully, testing her newfound freedom in the water. Dolphins arrived like a celebration party. So, when the time come to an end, the team waved goodbye, so the whale breached one last time as a heart-warming thank you.